Hey YouTube family, I know it's been a hot minute since I dropped a video. Sorry. A lot of good changes coming, a lot of big things going on with my trading family, things like that. Working early on the Trend 21 branding. For anybody who doesn't know me, first time on here, I'm ChfJpy. I'm Trend 21 trader. That's my brand, the crew, that's our logo. We're going to be actually working on releasing some merch soon. I'll have a link in the bio as soon as I do. There'll be some trading journals, shirts, good things to come. Trust me, amazing things coming. But that's why I've been MIA, so sorry. I'm working on every day dropping a video for you guys between 10 to midnight Central Standard Time. I'm in Texas, so I like to do markups later at night. I'm a night trader, but I usually do markup for you guys on the day chart down to the 30-minute for entries. Do I give stop losses? No. Do I give take profits? But I give you price points, guys. That's where the market reacts, truly. So tonight I am going to be marking up a good pair for you. I was just looking at it before, came on with you. ChfJpy. It is at like a huge high. So let me get to the meat and potatoes, truly, on this one. Guys, ChfJpy is amazing looking right now. As you can see, I have it pulled up on the day chart. And I had to go all the way back to the week chart to find the next high. And like you can see, you won't even let me pull it out this far. Now, if you go back, the next one, it's going back like to 2015. If we break this zone, guys, we literally have hundreds of pips up. And we can measure it right here, and I'll show you. I'll zoom in a little bit more. But if we break, we have over 469 pips till the next zone. That's on the day. Of course, you're going to find some tribulation and some structure points in between then. But guys, we're getting a small pullback right now on the day chart. You can see that it's in a zone. Usually, I very basic trader, truly. I look at market structure. I look at price action. I do like Akanashi candles because they tell me a story. I love to look left in my charts because you can see what happened in the past. I tell people, you know, you can see where the market reacted in the past. If we do get some pullbacks, we're going to get them here. And then probably here, just because the market had came to those points in the past. But this has been in a huge uptrend, guys, for quite some time. Even if you want to go back to, say, when it started going up, gosh, here. Or if you're one of those people, because I like the 200 moving average, that was 10/1 of 2019. If you go here from when it really broke that 200 moving average, granted, it did a fake out back in May of 2020, but it's been going up for quite some time. So I'm pretty excited, guys. What I'm looking at right now is I'm going to be looking all week for it to actually break 124.31. Now, of course, I'm going to go down to the lower time frame for you guys. I like to hold trades. I'm a swing trader, but I'm also about consistently getting pips out of the market. Taking 30 to 60 pips a day for 5 days a week out of the market will change your life. I do this full time, guys. It's all about consistency. So as you come down to the 4 hour, you can see we have been hanging out in this zone right here, 124.132 for a little bit now. Now, guys, if it does retrace, you may see a small retracement. Not small, trust me, it's almost 200 pips, but you could see a retracement down. But what I'm looking for is, I always tell people I want the butt of the candle to be above this line. You don't want the body of it. You don't want the wick of it to be above it. But what you really want to see, and I'm going to see it come up, and then come back down, test this area, and then go up. That's a true, what they call break and retest, guys. If we get that, there is so much space to go up. And the way my moving averages are looking, we have a strong uptrend. Do we get pullback sometimes? Yes, but it pulled back last week. Last few times that it retraced and touched on these areas, it had strong pushes up. Guys, I would really be cautious though, since this is a high point on the chart for some time, and I'm going to play devil's advocate like I always do. You could always see it come back down, and I'm going to change this color so that way you can see what I'm talking about. We'll go with red or coral color, tomato. Perfect. Great. You could see it come down, and you could also see it retrace a smidge on here. That's a lot of pips. Let it make its decision here, guys, because you don't want to get caught in this the wrong way. What do I see? I see more buyers in the market. Right now, I use the RSI. Yes, what you see right here is it is more going to the upside. When it is between the 45 and the 55 for me, I don't really do anything with it. That's a no trade zone for me. It means it's indecisive. It doesn't know what it wants. The pushing towards the upside, yes. But until it makes that decision, guys, do not get in. Like I said, you can see how long we've been playing in this zone, but keep it on your watch list because I like consolidation. Why do I like consolidation, you ask? Because it means it's going to make some money moves sooner than later. Guys, truly looking at this area right here, it's been playing in this zone for way too long, where I'm thinking it's going to push the upside just because a lot of my moving averages are telling me that. But until you actually see that fully close above there, don't get in. Don't let the market take your money. The market already has enough money. Right now, you can see I dropped down to the 30. I look for my entries on the 30. Look to the left, guys. There is tons of trash. We are classier than that. We do not trade in the trash. Okay, we don't play there. Let it push above this area. Even if you wanted to be a little more cautious, let it break above these wicks. These wicks right here will change the color because this is the 30-minute time frame. I want it to break that area right there. 124.30. That's only like 16 pips away from where it's hanging out now, or 14 pips away from where it's at right now at this moment. I want to see a strong push up, an indication that we have momentum. We have buyers in there. I'm not going to take this until I see it come above there. Why? Because the past few days, whatever you want to look at, when it came to that area, it dropped once, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, let it break through there. Don't get caught up in this area, but keep this one on your markup for the week. If we do get this to push above that area, guys, like I said, there's over 200 pips. Every day you can take an entry for 30 to 40 pips and run with it. The moving averages I use, every time that it comes down and retouches these moving averages, it's another entry for me. As long as I have a flat bottom candle telling me that there is momentum, it's another entry. I need 30 to 60 pips a day to eat well. Make sure you're setting your goals, guys. This trade this week, yes. Is it in the trash right now? Yes. Is it indecisive? Yes. But patience is what pays you. Guys, keep ChfJpy on your watch list because this week it's going to make its move. Be cautious of news. Make sure you know your strength and things like that. You're not sure where to go look for news? Try Forex Factory. Try FX Street. Make sure you're meeting your confirmation though, guys. Mine is always a flat bottom candle above these lines that I give you. It's always to make sure that I have buyers in the market. I don't want to be trading on these little doji candles. It means it's indecisive. It's telling you the mood of the candle. It means nothing good. These ones look pretty good, but there's a lot of wicks in this area. Once you see it push above 124.30, guys, it's going. It's going for a little bit. For sure, for sure. So I really do enjoy talking to you guys. I hope you have amazing confirmations. Write it down. Write it in your trading journal. Why did you take this? What are your confirmations? Flat bottom candle, you know, are you using the RSI? Do you have certain EMAs that you use and wait for it to cross? Make sure you're doing that, guys. And just like I said, every day set a daily goal. Proper risk to reward. That's what I teach my people. We want like 2% risk for 5% growth, right? That's it. So guys, I hope this helps. I definitely look forward to going over it with you on Friday to see where it went. I'm definitely saving my chart markups because I will be doing Friday follow-ups. But every day now, Monday through Thursday, or well, Sunday night through Thursday, I'll drop you guys a chart that I see doing something or that there might be on the move. If it's in consolidation, we'll talk about it. keep these price points. They will be good for a little while. I'm marking up on the daily, and that one came from the weekly. So these are going to be making moves for a while in this way. But remember, the prices I give you are reaction points, guys. That means this is pivotal points. The market in the past has came there and either dropped or came there and shot through there to the upside. So wait for your confirmations. I really do hope this helped you all. Look forward to seeing you. If you need help with any of your trading, click the link in my bio. It has time to sit down, talk with me, schedule a one-on-one with me. I want to help you get your trading down pat, because gosh, this is life-changing when you fine-tune these skill sets. And sometimes when you don't have mentorship, it's really hard to fine-tune them, guys. I get it. I understand. I've been there. Been doing this since 2019. Trust me, I had plenty of lessons I paid for. But I love working with you. I love helping people perfect the skill and talking about Forex and crypto. It is definitely my passion. Well, have a good night. Love and light. And I'll talk to you guys soon.